Alright guys, this is the Geopolymer sewer rehabilitation project for the city of Richmond. Gonna just do a quick run through on this, what it is, where it is, not get too detailed. You guys can go on the city procurement site, get an OpenGov uh, account, and download all these documents yourself and take a deeper look if you're that interested. This is just a quick overview for people that live and work in the area and want to know what's going on. Um, so here we go. So this is a geopolymer sewer rehabilitation project, as the plans say. That's a trenchless technology. They won't be digging up streets. They'll be working through existing manholes, lining existing sewer lines that are failing. I think the sewer line sizes are between 42 and 84 inch, so relatively large. Um, Dewberry Engineers is the engineer. The owner is the city of Richmond. Um, this just came out on the city procurement site today, June 11th, I believe. Um, so this is kind of a larger map of the work areas. All of this is pretty isolated to the city of Richmond, um, mostly north of the river. I got one site down here south of the river at like 26th and Riverside. You can see at the step chamber down there, they got Park Hydro, which is near the Dominion headquarters at Tredegar. There's some work in Riverview Cemetery, a little bit of work off Linden Street, Plum Street, a bunch of work, and most of it is in the Bird Park area, over here by like Shields Lake, um, and a little bit off of I forget, I think it's Claiborne Street. We'll go through it more in a minute here, but you can see where the bulk of the work is kind of either in the fan or mostly south of the fan and in Bird Park. Um, so here we go. This is the south side work. Um, just a short section of pipe here. They do have a section over here. They got to get into a manhole, so I think they're going to have a trail closure for that. Nothing major. Shouldn't see any, like I said, nothing getting dug up. It should just be some crews working through existing manholes. So you'll see trucks, construction workers, stuff like that. Um, Maybe some flashing lights, maybe some temporary road closures for a couple days here or there, but nothing major. They'll, I assume, be getting work and street permits for all this, um, so I wouldn't expect any major traffic delays. Here's the work at Park Hydro. It's off of North Bank Trail, over into the Dominion facility over here. There's Park Hydro regulator off of North. This is North Bank Trail. Um, Access over here near Oregon Hill. Plan and profile. This is where they're repairing. This is kind of neat. You don't see this very often. These old stone arch sewers, a step sewer. So it actually looks like steps. The water cascades down basically a staircase, and it's failing. So they're gonna line it with this geopolymer to get a little more life out of it. Only lasted like 150 years, right? Uh, so we got some work in the cemetery here, short segment of line. Got to dig up a buried manhole, nothing major. Here's the Bird Park work. This is kind of a overview here. You can see they got work on Grayland, work on Maplewood. I think this is, yeah, Shields, Roland, um, Meadow, kind of snakes through here, but they'll just be getting into manholes, mostly in the intersections. So you'll have some road closures around this stuff, but shouldn't be anything long term. This is a pretty quick in and out type process. You can Google it or look it up on YouTube for more information on how it works, depending on the technology. There's different manufacturers, but there's lots of different manufacturers that kind of do the same thing, but it's basically a pipe liner. Um, More plan and profile. This work is on Lombardi between Lakeview and Claiborne, so that's also in Burr Park. Or Randolph area, I guess. This is rolling between Grove and Stewart, so this is actually in the fan proper. And this is Plum Street between Floyd and Grove, so that's also in the fan. There's manholes and stuff that they'll be working through. And VCU area, Linden Street between Cary and Maine, down near VCU. And that's pretty much it, guys. So let me know in the comments if there's any more information you'd like, anything I forgot or missed. I don't know the duration on this. I didn't see the project book, so I'll try to find that and put it in the description. But yeah, that's the project. So should be a good little project for one of these smaller pipe contractors. So thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Appreciate it.